Welcome to first lecture of our tutorial. In this lecture we will learn how to create 2D scene in a start. So let's go to 2D scene. Here when you click on this button you will create 2D scene. Also 2D scene can be created with drop down menu, scene, this is main menu, scene, and click on the new scene. When you click on this button you will get the same screen like this initial. Just click on 2D scene and you will get one unsaved 2D scene with initial 2D node. 2D node is explained in many tutorials. I create in this explanation transform and z-index of inspector window are explained. This can be useful for you. But now let's continue working. In our work we will use this micro button for adding child nodes. Also, we will use micro buttons here, select mode, move mode, rotation mode, mainly. And now let's explain this a little bit. Let's click once on add child node, write static, in search field here, and we will pick from the node 2D static body 2D. This is static body for 2D physics. And click on create. Now we have static body with 2D physics. To move this body around the space we will use move mode, and this will move it, and for select we will use select mode. In the next part we will continue talking about collision shape. Thank you for watching.